Hey now, this is going to be a quick overview on running the new engagement update. It's update number 2019.4.1. It doesn't matter what version you're starting from as long as it's 2019, and we all have at least 2019. I think this one's 2019.2. Whatever. That's not important. You can see, like, when you load up the engagement screen, you can see right here what you're at. Just for the heck of it, I'm gonna log. What I was gonna say is you can see all the version numbers here and the task grouping, which version of it. Now I'm using Karen's old computer, so I get out to the Z drive where it installs, and I made a special update out here, right here. I did the 2 exclamation points, so it hopefully goes to the top. And this will go, all right, click faster. All right, and this opens up. And I want to verify up here that it says the 2019.4.1 and update to latest version.
Since I was little, it looked like fun. If there's no coincidence, I've come. And I can die when I'm done. But maybe I'm crazy. Maybe you're crazy.
Okay, that's just it's just that. If I like it or not, that's just what it does. So I go through the process and I'm just double checking to make sure that it looks right. So we'll go and open engagement. Check the version numbers. Inside the program. Perfect. And with that, good. I'm going to check one other thing though. Or I'm done because it's just crashed. Good wizard. And make sure that 2021 is in there. On occasions where there was a problem, 2021 does not show up. So here we go. Next. So we're good. This install is ready to go.